Okay guys, so today I'm going to go through the required practical for the emission of infrared radiation. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a piece of equipment that I've got here which is called Leslie's Cube. Leslie's Cube you fill with boiling water, and this thermometer will allow us to read the temperature of the water inside. But then we have different surfaces on the outside of the cube, and what we can do is we can use a digital thermometer that reads the infrared radiation being given off to find out the temperature of each surface. So we should be able to compare whether white gives out or absorbs heat better than shiny black, compared to matte black, and compared to copper. So that's a piece of equipment that allows us to compare 4 different surfaces and see how much heat energy they radiate when the cube is filled with hot water. The practical you would do is this practical where we take 4 beakers, a copper coloured one, or calorimeters is the true term, but it's basically just like a cup or a glass. A copper one which is painted matte black, a copper one which is painted silver, and a copper one which is insulated with a little bit of bubble wrap. So we're going to look at which one cools down the fastest and try to explain why. Now you might be wondering at the moment what the blue tack is on the lid for. There's 4 little bits of blue tack because when things cool down, most heat energy is lost through convection out of the tops. So what I'm going to do for each experiment is I will put a digital thermometer in which we can read the temperature of the water inside the container, and the little bits of blue tack will just hold the lid on in place. So these will be set up with a controlled volume of water. Now, I think I'm probably going to use 75 millilitres, okay, because that seems a reasonable amount. And what I'm going to do is leave them hopefully for about half an hour, 40 minutes, just recording remotely so we can take the results. So I will put in 75 centimetres cubed of boiling water into each calorimeter and their thermometers, and then we will start to record the results and you will be able to collect them from screen.